How to fix if Instagram professional account is not switching to personal account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. When you open Instagram and switch account, you'll find this kind of problem. So what you can do is simply update the application if update is available. If not, go to your profile. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will open this page. In here, simply scroll down and click on Help. In Help, click on Report or Problem, which is the first option. Then you can simply explain your problem, like you're not able to switch your professional account to personal account, and press on Send at the top right corner of your screen. Instagram will get back to you and solve your problem. This is how to fix Instagram professional account not switching to personal account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.